Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Apple Intelligence, Apple AI, on your iPhone 16 and iPhone 15 series models. After the iOS 18.3 update, Apple's AI is enabled by default, but you must turn it off if you guys are not using artificial intelligence on your device, because the unnecessary enable feature kills the iPhone battery. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll to the Apple Intelligence and Siri. On this screen, look at the toggle next to Apple Intelligence. If it is green, please turn the toggle off. A pop-up will ask you if you turn off AI, then Apple Intelligence features like writing tools will not be available if you continue. Siri will also stop using the additional capabilities provided by Apple Intelligence. So the switch looks like a white button. And that's it. I hope this meets your needs. Thank you for listening to me. Before finishing my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful content. Have a great day.